In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an AI power user using Chatgpt. If you've ever wondered how to get the most out of your interactions with AI, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some practical tips to make your experience with Chatgpt both efficient and effective. First, you'll need to open Chatgpt. If you're new to this, it's very simple. Just head over to the website or app where Chatgpt is accessible to you. These platforms are intuitive and user-friendly, so you'll have it up in no time. Once Chatgpt is open, the next step is to start a new chat. Initiating a fresh conversation is crucial as it provides a clean slate for the AI to respond to your queries without being influenced by previous discussions. This ensures that responses are pertinent to your current queries, making the interaction more productive. Now, a key tip to enhance your Chatgpt experience is to be specific with your prompts. The more detailed and precise your questions or instructions, the more accurate and helpful the AI's responses will be. This might mean clearly defining what you're looking for or providing context that sharpens the AI's understanding of your needs. For example, instead of asking broadly about history, you might specify, "Tell me about the impacts of the printing press on education during the Renaissance." This approach allows the AI to hone in on exactly what you're interested in, providing a richer and more informative answer. Think of Chatgpt as your personal automation hub. By this, I mean you can use it to streamline tasks that you might otherwise find time-consuming. From writing drafts of emails or articles to brainstorming ideas and even coding assistance, Chatgpt is a versatile tool that can help simplify your workflow. It's like having a very talented assistant right at your fingertips, ready to help with a wide range of requests. Something else that can deepen your engagement with Chatgpt is its ability to handle images and files. By clicking the plus icon in your chat window, you can upload files directly into the chat. This feature is particularly useful when you need the AI to engage with content that can't be conveyed through text alone. Whether you're dealing with a technical diagram, a creative piece of visual art, or any scanned document, this functionality can expand the scope of tasks you tackle using AI. Finally, consider creating system prompts. These are effectively templates that guide the AI to understand and respond more in line with your specific needs. By establishing system prompts early, you set the parameters of your interaction, steering the conversation and the AI's responses to be as useful as possible from the get-go. Following these strategies will undoubtedly elevate your status as an AI power user. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, practice makes perfect, and experimenting with these tools is the best way to become adept. Enjoy exploring what Chatgpt can do for you.